Support us by subscribing, ring the notification bell, press all, and thumbs up. Thank you.
Our task force rotations happen a few times a year to forward locations such as Guam and/or Fairford. Also recently, the 9th Bomb Squadron went to Norway last spring. So we go out a couple times a year, and really we're here to integrate with our local partners and our allies to try and build relationships, get better at working together and integrating and communicating with them. And then obviously demonstrating our readiness and meeting the combatant commander's objectives he has for the theater. The B-1 and the B-52 provide a very strategic deterrence role for the United States military, for the United States Air Force. Specifically, the B-1 is more focused towards a conventional long-range strategic deterrence portion, considering a non-nuclear platform, and really trying to integrate with our local partners and allies from a conventional deterrence perspective is what we provide for the B-1. So for this rotation, we started with our first mission out was to fly to Lithuania and integrate with some Lithuanian Special Forces JTACs. Then from there we returned to Germany, where we did a hot pit refueling at Spangdahlem Air Force Base. We used a Viper refueling kit, which is a new capability the Air Force has to minimize the logistical footprint we need. And then we landed back here. From there, we've also flown to the Black Sea and integrated with Turkish tankers, also with United States Navy vessels that are in the Black Sea. We've done some conventional support to nuclear operations off the Adriatic coast in Italy. And of note, recently, last week, we had 10 Norwegian LNOs here. We did 2 different integration bowls with F-35s or F-16s, Norwegian SOF, and the Norwegian Navy. So for the 9th Expeditionary Bomb Squadron, really what it does for us is it allows us to forward project to a new location, fly from a different spot and do different things that we don't normally do. And it really gives us opportunity to build relationships and work with those partners and allies in the region that I can't do from Dyess Air Force Base, Texas.